Hey guys, James at Signature Autosports here. So today we're going to do a quick bolt bar install video. This little triangle that sticks out is going to be always facing. First thing we're going to do is remove these two bolt covers. So it's two T27 Torx on top and two of the same bolt on the bottom. So now that we got access to these bolts, we're going to remove the top two on both sides. And that's going to be a T50 Torx. So now we're going to take these threaded studs and we're going to take a number 5 Allen and just thread it into the top two holes. And what this is going to do is prevent your bumper from shimmying whenever you take it all apart, and it's going to turn it into a one-man job. Now we got those screws in, what we're going to do is remove the bottom two of the bolts. Just get the first 4 bolts loosely in. Don't torque them down yet. You may need to lift up on the bumper and the bull bar and get quite a few threads in on them. Just making sure they don't pop out. Now we're going to remove our helper screws. So what we're going to do now is take this M6 with a large washer and just put it in this hole on the outside. And your washer may hit a little bit on the bumper, that's fine, it'll just bend down. So if you're doing this by hand, just go down, cinch them all down close, and then torque them all down. If you're doing this with an impact like I am, I like to set mine onto the lowest setting and just get them kind of close. Alright, now that they're all in, to my 10 mil on my little driver, run those down. Full power. Now we're going to install the covers. So this little triangle that sticks out is going to be always facing out. So we're just going to take it, slide it in. Then take our stainless steel M6 hardware, like to thread it in the top, come down below, thread it in.
Keep going.
Now we got them threaded in, we're going to take our M10,